Hi there, welcome back to Karpagam Excel. In this video, we will learn how to calculate the age of a person in terms of years, month and days. In the previous video, we have seen how to calculate the age of a person. If you are new to this video, the link is given below in the description. Kindly check out. Let's get started. I'm going to use one function for calculating the date of birth in a two different way, and I will show you the pros and cons of using that as well. I'm using a function called as Datedif. You might be wondering, when I started typing date, you can see only date and date value and no other function called as Datedif. Where this function is, this is one of Excel's greatest mystery, and the Datedif function has its origin from Lotus 123 and it's available in Excel only for the compatibility purpose. Let's do it. Dated if, open the bracket, even arguments you have to enter it manually. The argument is the start date, comma, when is the end date. I'm nesting in today function. Today will give us, as on today, what is the age we want to find out. And within double quotes, I'm nesting in y because I want the total number of years we have gotten. In the same way, I'm going to do it for dated if, open the bracket, the start date, comma, the end date is as on today, comma, and what is the unit? I want it in terms of months. When I close and hit enter, you can see it has got is 524 months, which means it has ignored the year. From this particular date, how many months got over, this has got you. In the same way, date function will also work. Dated of the start date, comma, end date as on today, comma, I'm nesting in D to get the total number of days. When I hit enter, you can see 15,975 days from this particular day. This is one of the drawback of using Datedif function with ym and d unit code. This is where we will be using md, ym and yd. Let's do it now. So in the first case scenario, the same we are going to follow Datedif, the start date for the end date, nest in today function. And what is the unit we want to do? Same unit. Why I'm taking? Because we are interested in getting the years. Hit enter, we have got the years. In the next one, start date, end date, and what is the unit value that we want to use here? So I'm giving an instruction, ignore the year and get me the month alone, which means once you have calculated the year, after that year, how many months have passed by? This is what we want to find out. So I'm saying ignore the year. The first one is ignore. Second one is what is the value that we are looking for? I want the month alone. Ym, close the bracket and hit enter. It's 8 months we have got it. Third one also we can do it in the same way. Datedif, start date for the end date, pass in today's function and within double quotes. Now I'm asking Excel to ignore the months because the month is already calculated here and get me the days alone. Close the bracket. When I hit enter, we have gotten. So as on today, the person is 43 years, 8 months and 25 days old. Just drag it down to see the total number of years, the months and the days. Yes, it's really amazing to work with Excel. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for more such videos. Good day.